What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will quickly show you how to easily fix an outdoor water faucet that's leaking from behind the handle. Look at this faucet. Water is leaking from behind the handle. That is no good. What if you want to keep your life savings under it? It'll get all wet. That's terrible. First, try tightening this packing nut. It will compress the rubber packing washer inside, and it may solve your problem. Otherwise, if not, use a screwdriver to remove the handle. And use a wrench to remove the packing nut. Behind the packing nut will be a rubber washer or packing material. Water is leaking past this one around the rod. The packing material is not sealing it. Remove the rubber washer or packing material. For this specific faucet, I had to dig out packing material, but you may just have a rubber washer. Make sure it's cleaned out, and turn on the water for a second to blow out any loose debris. Now, get a replacement packing washer. This is the correct washer for my specific Woodford faucet. I will put a link down in the video description. But all faucets are not the same, and here's a typical repair kit. This is a right-hand thread packing nut, and a left-hand thread packing nut, and a rubber packing washer. I recommend removing your existing packing washer to see exactly what you need. Now reassemble it. First, insert the new packing washer. Then, install the original or replacement packing nut, depending on which replacement kit you got. I'm using the original packing nut. And last, use a screwdriver to reinstall the handle. And that takes care of it. No more leak from behind the handle. Your money won't get wet anymore. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.